should it be? Breaking me down every chance I get. Can't control my soul or predict my next step.
Basically, I'm like a man without a country.
Oh shit.
Because I was born in a country that rejected me, and then I was sent to a country I wasn't born in. Haiti is like a country, if you have money, you can live kind of good, but if you are a deportee that's going to be living in Haiti and you have no kind of support financially or whatever, man, it's going to be like hell.
I'm asking the U.S., please, stop. I mean, there's a lot of people that died, not just in this country, in other countries, that you're sending people back to places that they don't know. And the law used to be that you do 5 years or more in prison, then you're deportable.
I do not respect the laws that brought me here.
Then they changed the name to the Terrorist Act of 1996. Okay? Haitians are not terrorists.
What I know about the Anti-Terrorist Act is that it was to me, what I feel it is a way that is population control.
I was born in France. I left France real young to go live in the States. Now, I wasn't aware of, I didn't know really that I could get deported, for getting in trouble and all that.
I've been in the town for 20 jump boards, you feel me, since '84. I've been in the U.S. You know what I mean? You could basically say I was bullshitting this, you know what I mean?
Haiti is one of the countries that assure brothers, the opportunity to get existence. To show that the poverty, and bring the poverty, into them. Especially like me, man. 10 years, man, ain't no joke, dog. You see what I'm saying? I've been suffering.
It's fucked up, you know what I'm saying? Cause a nigga grew up in the States, you know what I'm saying? Nigga ain't know shit about no fucking Haiti, man. I know a lot of DPs feel the same way as I do, and we gotta deal with a lot of the problems, you know what I'm saying, that go on with being a DP, as far as everybody, you know what I'm saying, basically against you in the society. You know what I'm saying, anything that happens in Port-au-Prince, they blame it on DPs.
This dude goes on TV, national television, and he says, fucking, yo, it ain't even the local niggas that's doing this kidnapping, and so on and so on. It's the VPs that's coming from America with a different type of intelligence.
Me and my cousin Tools, we got dipped back to our homeland where we was born at. And we figured, yo, while we dying here, we gotta find a way to heat. The hustle still goes on, man. I ain't slinging them things no more right now. I'm slinging that music, slinging them movies, trying to do that thing, positive.
Being that I got a second chance, I still got life, you understand? I'm gonna make it happen on this time right here, you feel me? I did all that bullshit, all that negative shit. That's the easiest thing to get caught up in. You feel me? Easiest thing to do is be ignorant, you understand? That's the easiest thing to do, but now it's a whole different game. What happened with the country, shit went sour. Now we had to come up with the shopping shit, you know what I mean? So we got to shop. It wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for friends and family, you know what I mean? Okay. I ain't come out here with nothing.
I have a lot of paramedic training, but I'm an emergency medical technician with firefighter skills too, because my teachers taught us fire too. I'm trying to help my country while I'm here.
And what I do is I spit the whole 120 lessons, the Afrocentric lessons, and life lessons, and the whole story about why we here, meaning us as humans and our mission in this world.
Anything else you want to say to the people? Anything else you want to say something to your family back home?
Peace, love, happiness, send money. I'm just kidding. All right. A lot of love for I still have a lot of love for the U.S. I still think the U.S. as my country. I was raised in the U.S., you know. And I just regret that happened. I hope one day that God will bring me back home to my family.
I'm from a place where there is no love. Tell me why should it be breaking me down every chance I get? Can't control my soul or predict my next step. I'm from a place where there is no love.